beautiful morning. Isn't that beautiful to say good morning, your whole camera's blurry? So I've already had my morning water because I noticed coffee is usually the first thing that I drink in the morning. It's not the first thing I do in the morning, but it's the first, you know, thing I actually take into my body in the morning. And I'm just thinking, like, is that really the healthiest thing? Like, my health gurus, like, let me know. Like, in my mind, I'm thinking, like, okay, the body, I drink water every day, but it's like, I'm sure my body is like, sis, like, give me some water in the morning. I don't want no big coffee as soon as you know, I'm just waking up. I'm just getting ready to comb through the entire scalp. So when it comes down to deep conditioning, first I have to wash it. So I just want to make sure all the dead hair is out before I do anything else. The only thing I do not like about having braids is the takedown, because I just feel like my hair is so brittle. I just feel like it's just not the same. And I feel like my hair has to go through this whole thing before it can, you know, get back to normal. So my dad is actually on his way over. He is bringing my coffee table over, my filming table, so I can put it in the film room. So once we do that, we will probably be tackling the office today and just, you know, and just gonna start the process of setting up the office. Once he leaves and I get everything situated, I'm gonna go over to the old apartment and pick up my lights, my film equipment. So hopefully by the end of today, I'll have my film space pretty much somewhat put together. I need to get my tripod. I need to do all that. I don't even have my camera tripod. I brought everything but my tripod. Whoa, like lights and stuff. I got my cameras and lenses and stuff like that. My microphones, I got all that. Let me section this off because I forgot how thick my daggone hair is. I'm trying to make my life a little easier here. So I'm just gonna take, we gotta wash my hair anyway, so I'm gonna just take this cream. Just that way it makes it easier to comb through my hair, because I feel like I'm pulling all my hair out. Just that way it's easier, see? Just that way it's easier to comb through. Do you guys see how easy that is? Wow. And I used this. This is from My Black is Beautiful. This is the Tangle Slayer conditioning cream. For some reason my hands are itching this morning. Like the palms of my hands are itching severely. So I have officially taken all of the braids. Well, the braids obviously are already out. I went ahead and detangled everything. I'm telling you, that that Tangle Slayer from My Black is Beautiful is the truth. Do you hear me? So let's go ahead and jump into morning coffee since we already have our water. Okay, so I did not make me as much coffee this morning because I noticed I'm always clicking the largest size, and then I guess I just never took into account that when I add creamer, that's just like more drink that I have to consume. So I went with the middle size today, and I think that's like a good size to go with if I'm gonna consume coffee every day. Please use a little bit more creamer. Once I'm done with my braces, I'm gonna add a little, just a touch. I can't use a lot of this. I love the taste of it, but like it tears my stomach up. I'm just gonna use like a little hint of it. And the crazy thing is that's probably still gonna tear my stomach up. Once I get my braces off, so I have a dentist appointment on the 14th of this month, and I can't remember exactly what he said he'll have to do with my teeth this go around. I do believe that I have to get something shaved, and then I'm gonna get another set of brackets, and I think that's my last set, if I'm not mistaken. I believe that's what he told me the last time. Once that's paid off and everything, because I'm trying to pay that off, because that's just, that dentist bill is just in the way. Like, I don't mind talking about, you know, bills and stuff like that. So I pay on my braces because they were about $5,000 at the time. I didn't have a full-blown $5,000 just to throw on my teeth, so I was like, of course I'll do the payments. So I've been doing that since, you know, I got them or whatever. So now They're paid down quite a bit, so I want to go ahead and just kind of like pay it off. But anyway, that's besides the point. So now, once I'm done with that, once I'm done with the actual brackets and the treatment, then the next thing I'm going to do is, I know that might be a little expensive, but hopefully I'll be able to do that. But I want to get my teeth whitened. And my teeth are still fairly white, in my opinion, I think. And then the dentist said they be saying that they're white. Because I be asking them, I'm like, do you guys think my teeth are white? But I've seen whiter teeth. So I'm like, I want that. I don't want chalk white, but I want white. Okay, that's better. So yeah, I want to get my teeth whitened. And then after that, I'm done with my teeth, okay? The regular hygiene, dental care. And of course, still go to my regular dentist appointments to get, you know, a professional teeth cleaning and things like that. But other than that, I'm done with my teeth. Like, if they start to get crooked or something else is wrong with them, I'm done. I'm not putting no more money into my teeth. I hate that I even had to even put like a total of what, 10 grand? Because my Invisaligns were about 5,000, and then these were about 5,000. These were 5,000. My Invisaligns, I think, were 4,500. Anyway, I like to round, so they were still 5,000. Once I'm done with that, I'm done with my teeth, okay? I'm done, and I'm just going to embrace whatever type of smile I have at the time, and I'm gonna go with that. So great news, I got an email literally right before I went to bed. It was probably like 2 a.m. I went to bed a bit late last night, but I still managed to get up. That's how I'm just on that schedule now, I guess. That my phone is finally shipped. Finally, it has almost been, the 7th of this month would have made a whole month since I've ordered my new phone. I don't technically need a new phone. I just want a new phone. I want a bigger phone, and I want it more gig size on my phone. This is only a 64, and I can use an external hard drive. Sonny was telling me, I said, like, use your external hard drive so you don't have to keep deleting stuff. And I'm like, true. I'm just like, at this point, I'm tired of walking around like on pins and needles trying not to break this thing, because it's one of the turn-in upgrade type of situations. So I'm trying to make sure. I've been doing good. I still have my screen protector on here, which is like basically shattered at this point, but I'm getting my money's worth. These things are like $50. So I've had this ever since I had the phone, and I've had the phone a year already. I gotta get today's video situated. Gotta do the thumbnail and all that jazz. I'm trying to really be consistent all year. Consistency is key. Consistency brings the results that you wanna see. So I wanna be consistent, not necessarily with posting every day, but I have a posting goal that I wanna go for every week. I haven't designated days yet. At this point, it's just kind of like when I can get it done, and I know I'm gonna get it done. It's just, I don't know when I'm gonna get it done. You know what I'm saying? Wait, it's gonna be delivered today? I think it's supposed to be delivered today. Wow, okay. Cool, 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 cool. That just made my day, wow. So how I do my thumbnail, I basically just go through Final Cut Pro. So here's, I mean, this is already a completed project. It's already been uploaded to YouTube. So this is how I do the thumbnail. I just kind of scan through the whole clips and just kind of see what I want to do as far as, I think what I'm going to do this time is do like the 4 blocks. So I'm going to take 4 screenshots. So one of them I'm going to do braids. I don't know why I look so angry in these clips. Okay, so we can use, all right, so I just make it big. So then I'm gonna screenshot there, take another screenshot, add some greenery, another one, I need one more. So yeah, I always type in YouTube thumbnail, because YouTube thumbnail is already going to size it for me. So that way, if you ever try to make a thumbnail and it gives you a sign that says it's like too big or it's too small, it's not positioned right enough, like I just click on YouTube thumbnail, and all of these templates are already sized and ready to go. They already kind of give you fonts, kind of like little different things to choose from. I'm very basic, so I don't, you know, I don't do a whole lot. That's so sweet. Now I have some flowers I can put out. That is the sweetest thing in the world.
You gotta turn it, you put on cool, switch to heat cool, turn off, echo, whatever that is.
I think it's like an energy saver.
You get them heat now, and that's just settings.
I don't know. I have to Google it.
Well, yeah, Google that. Okay, so my dad just left. I'm so grateful for him, man. So grateful for him. But I just had a beautiful delivery from Minted Cosmetics. They dropped off some flowers. They got some flowers delivered, and this was the sweetest thing. I think I'm gonna end up cutting the stems because it's a little too, well, like this part's like a little too tall. I think I'm gonna cut them, but like they're so pretty. They're colorful. I love them. So thank you so much, Minted. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Like, best team ever, best brand I've ever worked with. I don't care, hands down. I will forever be grateful for Minted. Like, y'all know how I feel about Minted, okay? Y'all know how I feel. So my blacktail, my phone is actually out for delivery today. I'm not sure if it's delivered yet. I'm getting ready to check the shipping now. But that was quick. Like, they gave me like no heads up. They didn't tell me like what was what. They didn't do any of that. So I'm just in there like, well, you know, my phone will be here when it's here. So now that that is done, now we can kind of focus on the hair. But I think instead of doing my hair right yet, I want to go over to the apartment and go get I want to go get my plants, and I definitely want to go get my filming equipment now that my table is here. So I told you guys my dad was going to bring my table, and he did that this morning. He just left. So grateful for him. I need my cleaning supplies because I did not notice how dirty this table is. This is just like old makeup. It just needs to be, I might like do like a whole project on this and repaint it, because when I first got it, I didn't read the directions and I ended up screwing all, like, I mean, literally every nail, well, every screw that was supposed to go on this table. I ended up screwing through the table because I was supposed to put these little guards on it. And like I said, I did not read the directions, so I ended up messing up my table. So I put this little putty stuff on it, but it still is not the best job. So my dad told me I could take like some sandpaper, sand it out, buff it out, and then like repaint it. That way it's nice and smooth. So that may be a project for another day. We got the thermostat working, baby girl. It's 70 in here right now. I'm gonna cock it up. It's about 72. It says until 4:30. That's so dope. Like, I feel a worship coming on, okay? I feel worship coming on. I just feel myself going crazy. Okay, guys, so I just got done giving a spoon coon a bath. So she's nice and clean. When she gets a fresh bath, her hair is just like, it just has so much body. She had to get like a major face clean because her face was so dirty. I just noticed I went all the way in the kitchen, touched the shampoo and conditioner bottles, and didn't get it. And this is the My Black is Beautiful Intense Recovery Hair Treatment. I completely did not grab a deep conditioner. I gotta be tripping, because did I not? I'm doing too many things at once, I think. All right, so I'm actually getting ready to run to the other apartment real quick and pick up. My phone actually came in the mail today. I'll be back. All right, guys, I am finally back home. But when I tell you traffic was off the chain, like off the chain. I mean, there were 18-wheelers everywhere. I don't know if 2 days. I don't know if Tuesdays are like their delivery drop-off day. I mean, I don't know, but it just seemed like there were so many 18-wheelers I could have spazzed out, okay? Guess what came in the mail? So that unboxing was kind of whack. I noticed that no wall dock comes with this. So you have the C-port charger cord. That's it. I love when she gets a fresh bath. She looks so clean and her hair is just as wispy. This is amazing.
real. What you doing? 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 Love's coming in here going crazy. Look at her. So this is the film room. I'm gonna have to go grab my lights because I'm gonna need it. Oh boy, I have not filmed at this table in a year. So I ended up getting this, and actually I seen you guys talk about, sorry, I forgot to update you guys on my hair. I've had this deep conditioner in all day. Y'all know how we do naturals. Y'all know how we do. We leave it in all day, all night, probably 3-4 days, honestly. Okay, but when my mom took me on her lovely shopping spree, grateful for her, I ended up getting this one too. I don't think I recorded it, but this one was kind of sitting beside the other one. But this one is like a makeup organizer, and I thought this was really neat and just kind of clean and cool, just to put like my go-to products in here that I use all the time. This includes literally my everyday makeup. This is literally what all the products I've been using pretty much all year long that I've actually just had inside of a makeup bag. So I thought it'd be cool to have this up here. I feel like it's only right to have this up here, and I utilize that makeup because that's honestly what I have been using. Let's set up the office desk because I honestly feel like I didn't think it was gonna be enough room for it, but you know how rooms seem smaller because nothing's in it until like you actually start putting stuff in there, and then you see that you actually have a lot more room. So
take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking